scrub. Scrub, scrub. Oops. Overcooked those a little. Ah. Excellent. How is it?
Good. Much better than I usually do.
Good, yeah?
I have no camera.
Yes, exactly. So I'm gonna be up here coming through these rock gardens next. We'll try to get it quick so it doesn't get too dark. Made it to the top of the world here. Got Sierra way down there below. This is what I'm looking at for my next little run here. This thing's pretty gnarly. They never got to finish it because constantly ripping stuff here. You can see it really drops away. And then this one's pretty brutal because they didn't get to really stack the rocks that need to be there. I think it comes into an uphill. I think I'm gonna try to send it and just test the huck to flat ability of the bike. There's the first bit there. We'll see how that goes. New bike is great, but suspension's a little average, a little divey, a little bit harsh, and cockpit's not really set up for a tall guy like me, so it's going to be an interesting time. Let's see how it goes. It's not so much these features that I'm worried about, but it's just the run up, getting into this right line and then centering and not clipping pedals on the next thing. Might be easier said than done. Okay, seems decent. Ah. Yep. Oh, that was perfect. That's so scary. This might be doable. By a plebe like me. Ooh. Okay, I remember this being really challenging on my downhill bike. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is the section. Oh, oh my God, I saved it. Holy sh! I swear to you, I did not put a foot down. That was okay. This part has a really crazy drop to flat. We're gonna have to look at. Here it is. My God, that thing is a killer. The rock did not used to be so prominent there. I think I can get it. Oh, oh, what happened? The little baby head back here. Okay. Oh, guys. Oh, I was so sick. Oh, tree grabbed me. That was literally insane. I haven't done very much huck to flat stuff, so this is a great day for, well, huck, not much huck to flat on this bike. This thing here is like an abandoned road gap. I think I'll get that next time. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, let's get back to Sierra for a little jump session. Dude, it was crazy as hell. All right, we're at the jumps, and I've only hit the middle jump, barely ever, just a couple times. So looking to get a piece of that middle jump. Barely caved. Oh yeah. Straight sending today. I have not done that middle one a whole lot, so that was something. All right. Oh, too lazy. So this is the part where we would normally go for one more little run on the way out, but I have a feeling it might not happen because it's getting really dark and cold. It's been good hanging with you guys, and we'll catch you next ride. Next time I make a exploring video, we've got a really good little run that snakes down the mountain here. It's just like a cliff, but it's kind of skirting it, you know, it's benched into it, and it looks really, really dicey and exciting. So might have to do a little exploring up on the mountain here. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
All right, take it easy, guys. Catch you next video. Don't forget to subscribe for some more riding content locally here in North County SD. Cheers, y'all. I heard you. Have a good one. I got a little fly in my eye again.
You gotta keep your eyes closed?
Yeah, don't I know?
Yeah, that's how you not to close them.
Haha. Oh, oh my God. You too.